good is good business, especially when it's affordable. So let's get dressed.
Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be late.
Hi my loves. So today, as you guys can tell from the title, we have a try-on haul. This is just going to be perfect for summer. You guys of course know we are in spring at the moment, but in a few weeks time, in next week is actually summer. So this is going to be perfect if you have a wedding, if you have any events. Like I have dresses, I have jumpsuits, I have two-piece, and yeah, I'm just so excited because you guys, if you know me well, you know I love affordable finds. I love fashion that don't break the bank, that it's very, very affordable, but also very, very high quality.
How to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own.
I really do love this look, guys, because you know you can never go wrong with multicolor. Like, I love multicolored outfits because you can of course pair it with different things. As you guys can see, this has kind of a sky blue, it has a dark blue, it has green, it has yellow, it has lemon on it. It also has black, which is why I didn't want it to be too colorful, so I decided to pair it with a black handbag. So as you guys can see, I have my blue heels, I have a pop of blue, you know, on the eye. So I decided to kind of tone it down with a black purse. As you guys can see, it just, you know, it just blended in so well. But if I wanted it to be like very, very bright and colorful, I would have paired it with a blue bag. But I just love the fact that, you know, it's really colorful, but then the black bag helped to tone it down.
You should learn that on your own. How to play cool. Cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy. So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard.
This look has to be one of my favorites, guys. I mean, this is, you know, that look you rock to church, wedding, event, ceremony, whatever it is, guys. Especially if you're the type of woman that, you know, you don't like showing too much, you don't like showing cleavage, you don't like showing legs, you don't like showing hands, you just like to be covered up. This is the look for you. And I absolutely love the colors. You guys can see it comes with pink, and then it comes with kind of white, it comes with blue. So with this you can wear it, like you can accessorize it with so many things. I can wear this with, you know, black, you know, a black shoe, a black purse. I can wear it with blue, I can wear it with even black, white. It has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors, guys. So as you guys know me, anything that is colorful I love, because I can always style it so many ways. I can pair it with different things, and yeah, absolutely love this. And as you guys can see, I decided to pair it with a pink shoe, you know, because I wanted it to be like boom, you know, I wanted the color to be very, very nice and vibrant. So I decided to pair it with a pink pumps. But if I wanted it to be toned down, I would wear it with black. And yeah, and also look, it's very, very free. So this, it has a lot of materials. You can definitely make a smaller dress for your little one with the excess material from this. As you guys can see, like it has excess material, which I absolutely love.
Pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy. So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love.
Black and white never looks so good, guys. Look at this. Like, I love the length of this dress. It's so me. It's, you know, not too short, it's not too long, and I love the fact that it kind of flares. I love the hand. I love the white and black print, which is why I decided to pair it with a purse, with a white purse. And then look at this gorgeous platform heels, guys. And of course, everything I have here is less than $40, guys. This platform is just perfect, guys, because, you know, like when you have on like all these tiny heels, you can feel the pressure, you can feel all the pain on your feet. But with platform heels, it's as if you're gliding on the floor. That's how it feels. It's like, you know, it's very, very leveled. I love the design. It's cute and it's simple. Like, it's not doing too much, which I absolutely love.
Don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love.
If you're a lover of satin material, this is definitely for you, guys. There's just something about satin that, you know, it's kind of a rich fabric, guys. So this right here, I absolutely love the color. I love the fact that it's a two-piece, and then I love this kind of folded design right at the front, and I decided to pair it with my gold purse and also my gold slippers and my kind of neutral gold glasses. And I absolutely love the fitting on me. I love this slit here, so, you know, it can show off a little leg. Okay, guys, so my last look is this satin jumpsuit. I love it, but I feel like I need to take it to my seamstress to kind of take it in from the sides. I don't like, you know, the fact that the sides are too open, but other than that, I love it. I love the fitting. It's also, you know, it shows the back. It's open at the back. So yeah, I love it. I love the color. Perfect for a wedding, any ceremony, any event. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and till my next one, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest.